Yeah, ma'am. We can.
Okay.
Yes. Good evening, ma'am.
Okay. Good evening. And how are you?
I'm good, ma'am. What about you?
I'm doing
How's your
great.
day?
Thanks for asking. I'm doing great. And nowadays you are aware of winter season is going on, so there are a lot of
Yeah,
work for for actually homemakers. I would
yeah,
say.
definitely.
Yes.
And today is Sunday. That is why I had some work to do. So that is the reason we are connecting this time.
Okay. So we are introducing first time, so please tell me something about yourself.
Yeah, definitely, ma'am. My name is Vikas, and I hail from Delhi. And but I my roots are from in Nepal, and we are living here in Delhi. And I am a working professional. By profession, I am a teacher,
Okay.
primary school teacher, and nowadays I'm teaching. And if I talk about this language, it's been almost 9 months. Working on my communication and trying to learn this language and brushing up my communication. So that is whole about me. And yeah, I've also recently created my YouTube channel as well to just supervise my mistakes, where I'm making mistakes and all the things, and I can work on that.
Right.
Yeah,
It
this
should
all
be
about myself.
essential, yes. For the teacher and
Yeah,
being a
right.
teacher, we have to learn so many things in our life, actually. Just a moment,
Yes.
just 1 minute, please hold on.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, now continue. So, as I also would love to introduce myself, as you know that my name is Monica and I am hailed from Gwalior, MP. And if I talk about my qualification, I have done Masters in English Literature and B.Ed honors. And CTET examination is also cleared for the teaching purpose, and it is essential for teaching line. And I would say,
Definitely.
and I am working on my YouTube channel right now. And 4 months ago, I started my channel in the month of October 2025. And I also working on my communication skills like you. And I am a KVS teacher also. I am working on KVS in KVS school as a junior teacher. There I teach English, uh, 9 to 12th standard. That's all about me. Thanks for
Yeah,
asking.
that's great, ma'am. And we are having a conversation, and yeah, definitely we are going to have a great conversation in this session. And yeah, ma'am, you have all the things like you are working and you have done lots of things in your qualification, as you mentioned.
Yes.
Then what makes you to learn this language? Because you know all the things. Even then, you are learning this language.
Yes, yes.
Why?
Actually, this is a good question because if I talk about my learning, actually this is my hobby, extra hobby that I will be consider anywhere as a YouTuber also, because this is from passionate learning for the polishing my communication skills more and more. And there I am working at presently KVS. There are a lot of good fluency teacher. They have good command over English language than me. I am not a fluent. I am not a fluent speaker. I would say I am learning and I am polishing and brushing up my communication skills so far. And if I talk about my school staff, there are so many PhD holder like teachers, and their English
Right.
is too good than me. So that's why I am brushing up nowadays. Different YouTubers like you, I would like to conversation with different people so that I do more and more practice every day. Because in
Yeah,
school timing there
definitely.
are not enough conversation with teachers and staff, not enough. But whenever I take one-on-one session, like YouTubers, so there are enough time, and 25 or 40 minutes, actually 40 minutes
Yeah,
are enough for me for practicing daily. And if we talk about communication skills, there it is not a one day work. It is not a 2 months, after 2 months we will be a very good fluent speaker. Not, it takes times, it always takes time. This language always takes times. You are learning, you are brushing up, and you, if you practice regular basis, more and more you get fluency on your speaking language. That's why I am learning, I am actually working on my this skill, mostly because I want to try my best in the higher level, in other schools also. As a PGT teacher, I want
yeah,
to be a
definitely,
lecturer,
ma'am.
so that's why I have to improve my skills.
Yeah,
That
definitely,
is the
ma'am.
reason
And
behind of it.
okay, that's great, ma'am. And you have done your master's in this language, English, right? And even then you are learning. You like, if we talk about communication, if we talk about spoken English, then what differences, like if we talk about academics and the spoken English, because they both are like some way they are both very different, right?
Yes, yes, right.
So what?
Because in your scenarios, academic, in if we talk about our school life, it is not a fully environment fluency. You should speak fluently. It is not compulsory in my school. But if I talk about for my skills, I have to brush up. This is my hobby actually. I am passionate learner, and English is my passion. So that's why I am brushing up. I want to brush up little bit on this platform. That is the purpose, and nothing than that. And
Yeah.
the academics is, it is going on nicely.
And ma'am, what I observe, like in my school as well, there are lots of English teachers as well. They are very good in English. If we talk about like writing, essay writing, and all the academics things, but when it comes to speaking, they are not pretty much fluent. What is the reason behind it? It happens, and
Yeah, it
I've
happens for
also observed,
everyone because
experienced.
we are sometimes lack of confidence, lack of determination. We have no confidence in front of others, so we are not able to speak fluently in others, in front of others, like other teachers also. If I talk about practice, practice makes a man perfect. So we should take 25 minutes, 30 minutes in a day for practicing English. It brush up, and it takes exercise of our muscles, jaw muscles. And it
Right,
usually our mother tongue is everybody wants to learn this language, but they didn't want to get out from your come out from your comfort zone. Okay, so
right,
firstly, this is the fact and natural thing. It is a bitter truth in the world. Um, so many people says that I don't speak in English. What should I do? But I would say, if you want to eager, if you are excited, and if you are a passionate learner, so one day you would be learn this language. It is just a language, not any very extremely tough task, according to me. If we have
yeah,
a
right.
eagerness, if we want learn to this language, I have to practice daily. We should practice daily, at least
Yeah,
25
definitely.
minutes.
And
Yes.
ma'am, there are lots of institution or academies who who guarantees that in 90 days you are going to be a fluent speaker. You can speak like very fluent. Uh, what do you think about those things? Like in 90 days, it's possible to be fluent.
No, in my,
What
according
your
to
take on
me,
this?
90 days speaking English course is not enough for everyone, because if we suppose the 90 days course I have taken, and I am continue carry on, like there is a grammar part also. We have to polish our grammar. Actually, basic thing is very necessary for learning, na, like tenses, like
Right.
conjunctions, part of speech, and all the important things are there. And people say without grammar you can speak in English. You can speak in English, but according to me, grammar knowledge is also must there, because without
Yeah,
grammar
definitely.
we does not want to we do not know, we don't know how to use tenses, how to use conjunction, how to use noun or pronoun. So this is also
Right.
necessary, basic things also necessary. But people said that in 90 days, within 90 days, you would be a become a good speaker. It is totally wrong. It is
Right.
actually false, according to me, untruth, because if you leave your practice after 90 days, you have course, 90 days course, you cover up all the things, and your tutor and your educator told you that you have completed your course. After 90 days, if you left everything, and you don't have any partner for practicing, so what about your course, what about your fluency? Everything will be vanished from your mind. So this is not true.
Right.
Now, after 90 days we become a fluent speaker, no. It depends on your practice, how much you can. It
And
depends on you.
yes, ma'am, yeah, definitely. And there are lots of people, those who are not pretty much educated, and they don't know about the writing in English or any other things, but they are very fluent in speaking
Yes, yes. Because
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 of the
there
surrounding,
are two
maybe.
things. There are mediums also, Hindi medium and English medium. If I talk about my education, I am from Hindi medium, and I studied in the government school, not any CBSE school. So my background is Hindi medium. So I takes much time. I takes plenty of time, like 1 year, 2 years, and I started learning this language last month of October 2025, because before that I am not consistent in this conversation. But I realized that there is much time has been gone unnecessarily. We have to work out, we have to polish now, and this is the this is the time for perfection. And
Yeah,
I
right.
would say that people, writing is good, reading and writing and listening domain are good, but speaking, if we talk about speaking part when you practice daily basis, then your speaking will be fluent day by day. And mistakes, if we talk about mistakes is a part of our learning. And I also making mistakes day by day. A lot of mistakes I'm doing, and I does actually. But mistakes removes gradually when you practice daily basis. And if you practice daily, you will try to speak out, whether it is right or it is wrong. But at least you
Right.
try. You should try. You should try every day. So your mistakes automatically comes in a good way, and you should be correct day by day yourself. This is the
Yeah,
scenarios of English.
yeah, definitely, ma'am, because mistakes are the part of our journey, and if we are trying, it means if we are making mistakes, it means we are trying. And if we
Yes.
are trying and we are investing our time and like energy to learn this language, then definitely it's a gradual process, and gradually you are going to be get some of like some extent of fluency. And yeah, one day you are going to be near to perfect, because there is a like perfection is a kind of different thing. But yeah, near to perfect we can be, we can go and we can attain that fluency, and we are working on that, right, ma'am?
Yes, yes, definitely I'll agree, because perfection not comes in a day or in a 6 month or in a
Right.
2 month. If we talk about perfection, perfection becomes according to your practice. It depends on up to you totally, how much you are dedicated, how much time you have given your language, your personality development. All the things that depends only human beings. If they
Yeah, right.
don't want to come out from their comfort zone, I would say, they never learn this language, never. Because I
Right, ma'am.
usually used to advise my students also in my school. They said that, ma'am, your English is too good according to us. So I usually answered them, you practice makes a man perfect, so you should perfect, you should do practice daily, 25 minutes in front of the mirror, like you learn and you read some magazines, English newspaper, like these things makes perfect our English. And
Yeah,
I don't
definitely,
get
ma'am.
time to read out the books and all that, because my whole day's schedule is busy. So I don't take so much time like social media. Like I have no much so much. Didn't have so much time. But whenever I get time on weekends, I like to read some 1 or 2 pages of my favorite
Okay,
books.
that's great, ma'am.
Yes.
And what is your way of learning English? What all the things you do to just brush up your English?
Okay. Actually, I have to read out, and I have to believe actually I believe revision. I believe only on revision, because 6 months ago in 2025, in the month of June, I cracked the exam, which is the government exam of teaching, and it is related to PGT post, like lecturer, intermediate school. And there my mentor told me that you have to revise all the things in English language. Like if we talk about vocabulary part, like idioms and phrases, and one word substitution, antonyms, synonyms, all the things. Only these vocabulary, this type of advanced vocabulary, you have to learn by heart. And after 2 days, after 3 days, whenever you get time, you should revise your vocabulary daily, per daily basis. No? If you don't revise your vocabulary, you forget everything, because vocabulary comes only for revision. दिस इज द दिस
Yeah,
इज द
right.
एक्चुअली ना, दिस इज द रामबाण कह सकते हैं ना, कि यही एक इलाज होता है. दिस इज
Yeah,
द
right.
ओनली vocabulary. If you learn vocabulary, if you become a master on that vocabulary, so you have to revision daily basis. After 2 days, after 4 days, whenever you get time, you should revise all the idioms, 5 idioms, 10 idioms. Revision is the key of master of vocabulary. Otherwise, your
Yeah,
vocabulary,
right.
you never learn vocabulary. Vocabulary only ask for revision, only revision. So that is why this is my routine, and this is my criteria of learning, that I have to revise my vocabulary, like after 2 days, after 3 days, whenever I get time, I revise my vocabulary. Yes.
Okay, that's great, ma'am. And yeah, definitely vocabulary is a kind of thing which is really crucial if we talk about speaking. If you don't know about the grammar enough in a strongly, even then you can convey your message if you have those vocabularies in your vocab bank. Then you can just simply deliver your message to the person you want to convey your message, then
Right.
the other person also came get to know you that what you want to say, right? And vocabulary is, yeah, definitely it's I would say in English, if we are learning, then vocabulary is the part which is quite hard to learn or to attain the things, right?
Yeah,
That is the
everybody
thing,
says
and
that
yeah,
ki every, yeah, vocabulary part is comes after a long time. Let's take an example like a beginner. When people begins their journey in English language. So many learners says that we are learning now. So we cannot learn vocabulary. But it is depend on you. If you know about tenses knowledge, if you know grammar perspective, like basic grammar, everybody knows basic grammar, what is s or es, everybody knows. But
yeah,
now,
right.
but you have to, it is up to you how to maintain your language. Why beginner also, I am also beginner. Last 3 years I am working on my language, last 3 years. Not 1 year or 2 year, 3 years I have completed in 2025. I am working on my language little bit. But yes, it is not consistent. I am not able to consistent because there are so many reasons, like my academic also is going on, my job is also going on, that's why. But if a beginner says that I am we are not able to go further and good vocabulary, it is not believable. You have to learn 5 words daily. You should add in your conversation of these words. So you should be fluent in a 6 month also. It up to you totally.
Yeah,
Human being can
definitely.
do everything.
Yeah, there are lots of YouTubers who are working on their communication, and they are doing very fantastic, I would say, because I've met with uh, 10 or 11 YouTubers, and I have had a conversation with them, and most of them are like very much like good eloquent speakers,
Yes.
and they are improving day by day because of they are just having a conversation, having a practice, and they are creating the environment and surrounding only in English, and that is why they are improving day by day.
Yes, yes,
And
definitely.
in
Yesterday, I also took a session, 2 or 3 session, I think, and one session was there with a sir. Like you heard that name. He is also a YouTuber, Amir. I think Amir Ali, like some name. I forgot him name, but their session will not. I was not able to record, and there is some technical error. That's
okay,
why their session won't be recorded. At that time, he also told me that if you learn, if you practice on the daily basis, you always get success in this language with your
right,
vocabulary. Little bit vocabulary you should use in your daily conversation, like idioms and phrases. Over the moon, like. And I am all ears. I am glad today. I am cloud on nine, like this type of phrases you should add on in your vocabulary so that your
right.
conversation will be effective and mature.
Right, definitely, because it's all about practice and the consistency, because consistency is the key. Because if we are consistent, then definitely we are going to improve our communication, improve our English, and with the time, definitely fluency also come automatically if we keep on working our
And I
communication.
also
So
want to ask one or two questions from you, sir. Where are you working? In which school you teach?
yeah, it's a public school. It's a private school where I'm teaching,
In
and
Delhi.
in Delhi.
Okay.
Yeah, in Delhi.
So which standard you
Basically,
teach?
I'm a primary. I teach only third standard students, and all the subjects I have to teach them.
Okay.
Yes, and that is the reason like I started my English journey as well, because if I have good communication, then definitely I'm going to teach the higher standard
Yeah,
students
yes,
in
of course, of
upcoming
course.
days.
We
So
have
that is
to
the reason
brush
I'm
up.
working on my communication. So this is the thing. And the reason is to start my English journey is my daughter, right? And one day what happened? She's studying in second standard. So there was a PTM in her school, and I attended that PTM. Over there, I realized that everybody is talking in English, and I'm the only person who is just unable to express their feelings or have a talk to
Yes,
the
yes.
teacher in English language. That is the reason I started this. And after that, yeah, now it's been almost 9 months, and I've improved a lot, and the journey is going on. Let's see. I'm pretty much consistent, and nowadays I'm trying. I was started this YouTube only for gaining confidence, because like this kind of session where you are just watching to each other, right, looking at each other and just having a conversation, this way you will gain the confidence, right?
Yes, right,
Because
right.
we don't have that kind of surrounding where you can start speaking in English and the other person also going to respond you in the same manner. But nowadays through this kind of video sessions, yeah, it's kind of very good for me, because it's uh, through this I'm gaining confidence. I'm working like I'm trying to improve. How can we improve? Nowadays I'm improving. Just we are recording this session and we are having a conversation. Then after I try to watch the that conversation where there I'm making mistakes, I try to eradicate those mistakes from that video with the help of that video, and I'm working on those things. So
Yes,
this
right.
way I'm doing. And
Because
it's
confidence
uh,
becomes confidence comes by your practice. If you
practice
do
only.
practice more and more, you will be rectify your mistakes more and more, and mistakes
Yeah,
becomes
definitely.
lesser then your
Every
corrections. Yeah, if you correct
right.
your grammar, if you correct using of tenses, if you try to correct yourself, rectify your mistakes, slowly or gradually, your mistakes becomes reduced day by day. It
Yeah,
comes only from the practice. No other, no any other ways of learning or fluency
right,
in this language. Only practice becomes makes a man perfect. It is the key
right,
only.
man. Ma'am, earlier when I started at that time, I know the grammar. I already knew the grammar, how
Yes.
the grammar rules are. But when it comes to speaking, that time I got stuck, and I draw blank at that time. Nowadays, I've done a lot of practice. I've done like audio calls, and I've spoken with the AI, Chat GPT, and after that, doing all the things, I've
Yes,
come to like
ChatGPT is very
video
useful
calling.
for everyone. I also
Right,
get help from ChatGPT for my making my thumbnails and everything all, and the
right.
description, how to make title, a proper title. These things makes a lot time. After making finishing our session, these things take so much time. So only 10
Yeah,
minutes are left
definitely.
for wind up this session.
Okay, no issue, ma'am.
Yes. So please tell me something more about your hobbies and what are the challenges do you face in your learning journey?
Yeah, in learning journey, if yeah, because it is a kind of a skill which we are learning, and in the course of learning this language, I came across about like first challenge, I would say, the surrounding with whom
Yes.
I can like the partner with whom I can have communicate in this language, because there are lots of people, and I have a friend as well, but they are not in the term of speaking in English. They talk in Hindi, and we enjoy. But when I try to communicate with him, they also like they start pulling my legs initial days. But now
Yes.
when I'm getting fluent and I'm trying to speak with other students and principals, then they just appreciate me. Nowadays they are appreciating me. You are doing good job. Keep on doing this. And these kind of comments I'm receiving nowadays. And if we talk
Very
about
nice.
the chat,
You are doing a great job in your learning journey. Whenever we get some motivated and some good comments, we are also proud of ourselves कि we are
right?
improving day by day. Na? This is also
Yeah,
motivation,
right, ma'am.
right?
And the other thing is like earlier we need to speak out, right? And there is a no partner, and so the confidence level is not so high at that time earlier. And
Yes.
the thing is, if you don't have confidence, then you are not going to be fluent and you are not going to learn anything.
Yes.
So
Yes.
that is the thing, and how to start. That was my initial challenge. Then how open up myself and all the things in English. Those were the challenges, but now because of determination, I would say I started, and I didn't think so much that I'm learning and I'm pretty much new, and how can I go with these kind of things, how I will tackle those challenges. So I started without hesitating, without getting like embarrassed. I
Yes.
embarrassed so many times while speaking. I got stuck and just searching for the word and right word, and at the time I was unable to do that. But now it's not kind of that situation. Now I reached that situation where I can make other person understand that
Yes, yes.
what I
Because
want to
everybody
convey.
knows this language takes a lot of time for improving, for polishing, and be fluent. If we
Right.
talk about my English, I have also last 3 years I am working every day, every single day. I am working on my communication skills for polishing more and more, so that I make a less mistakes, and now I am able to talk everyone without any fear. I have a lot of confidence and I have no any type of any kind of fear, because
Yeah.
I am able and I know what is right and what is wrong in speaking regarding when if we start if our English initial stage I was started there, but at this time I am good and I will try my level best daily to give you my audience utmost satisfaction by my videos and by my shorts. So this is the
Yeah.
journey for you, and I am very glad to see you. And this session will be going amazing, and I hope you also enjoy the same.
Yeah, ma'am. Like this conversation, first of all, thank you for reaching me out, and we had this conversation, and it was amazing. And you are doing commendable job, I would say, and definitely we are on the same page, and we are trying to improve
We are on the
ourselves.
same page,
And
and definitely let's
right,
catch up again with a new topic. Till then,
yeah.
bye bye. Have
Next
a
time we
great
are
day.
going to, yeah.
Yes, yes.
Next time we are going to have with the great enthusiasm, and yeah, definitely we are going to make another session
And best of
soon.
luck for your journey and for your becoming future, good future. So
Yeah,
let's
thank you,
catch
ma'am,
up
and
again. Whenever we
okay,
get
ma'am,
time,
thank
we
you.
will meet again with a new topic and new things. Okay, take care.
Yeah,
Bye bye. Have
definitely.
a nice day.
Bye bye, ma'am. Bye bye. Take care.